Hey, what's up guys, Abhishek here, and today I'm gonna show you 10 tips and tricks to improve your PUBG mobile gaming skills, which will ultimately lead you to claim your chicken dinner. So let's start with it. Remove your shoes to walk quietly. It was believed by many of us that wearing shoes would help us run faster, but it is not so. You run with the same speed whether the shoes are on or not. The reason behind removing shoes is you make less noise while moving in places like building where you have your enemies moving around. So make sure you remove your shoes in the inventory itself. As a bonus tip, always try landing on school or pachinki because these are the only two areas where you can find a lot of loot, and also because school and pachinki are almost near to the first couple circles. This method of hiding into bushes works completely fine even at low graphics settings. You can still hide pretty much completely into bushes and wait for the enemies to come around and kill in the smart way. In conditions such as when you are getting knocked out of the play area due to the speedily moving blue cloud, just unequip your guns and run, which will help you increase your speed. This also helps to get to the cover if you don't have any when the enemies are down to your lives. Using the eye icon. If you are in places where you can't move to look around due to the presence of enemies, you should definitely use the eye icon to look around. This will not move you around but will help you view the surroundings by moving the camera angle in every possible way. This is extremely useful when parachuting to look around for your landing place and enemies. Close doors after entering to trick people. Whenever you see an open door, you should be alert if you are entering the house, because there is a chance that someone is there or maybe someone was. You can do this to trick your enemies. So every time you enter a building, be sure to close the doors so that whenever your enemy enters the house, you are ready to surprise. Just knock out your enemy till other teammates come for his help. This will also help you to get more kills and also more loot from his teammates. And if this is a situation in grass, then the knocked out enemy will surely try to get near to his fence in order to retrieve his health, and this will get you to know the exact position of his other friends hiding in the grass. Try to put darker clothing by compromising your choice of outfit. This will also help you to stay unattracted at long distance enemies. It will also help you to hide in houses of low lighting or in the grass or behind the trees. With this, you can hide very easily in tall grass, which will make the enemies difficult to spot you. Always keep moving a little while shooting at your enemy. This will help you to hit the enemy faster and will also keep you out of your enemy's target. Doing this will decrease the chance of getting hits on you. Always lean down while collecting stuff from your dead enemy, but it is not always a good idea as other players might also see you through a distance and hence you can become an easy target for your enemies. Get out of the vehicle just before getting into a circle. Doing so will not attract you to other enemies and then you can walk up to your destination easily. Or you may also use the vehicle to run over other players and maybe they'll shoot back at you. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you are someone new here, make sure you subscribe to this channel and I'll see you guys the next time.